Hi there, so here's the deal. I've been wanting to show you how to make a Chicago style hot dog for a while now in the air fryer. But then I found out quickly, unless you live in Illinois, it's pretty much impossible to get all the ingredients that you need to make an authentic style Chicago hot dog. Then I thought I'd just go ahead and substitute the ingredients. Now wait a minute, let me explain. And then I thought again, there's just some things you don't mess with, and that is the Chicago style hot dog. I went ahead and contacted Vienna Beef Company, explained to them my situation, and they were so very kind to send me out their Chicago hot dog kit of 10. Everything is in here that I need to show you how to make an authentic style Chicago hot dog. No air fryer today. We're going to do this the proper way. We are going to steam the dogs and the buns in a steamer, and we are going to get started right now. This is what Vienna Beef sent me. It is their natural casing Chicago style hot dog kit of 10. It comes with the sport peppers, the Chicago style relish, which is a bright neon green. Of course, we've got to have the poppy seed hot dog buns. That is a must. Celery salt, plain old yellow mustard, and of course the Vienna Beef hot dogs. Again, these are natural casing. What they do not send you is the tomato, white onion, and the kosher dill pickle spears. I have the hot dogs in my steamer. I'm going to let these steam for about 5 to 7 minutes. When they are finished, I'm going to take them out, and then I'm going to throw in our hot dog buns and let them steam for about 2 minutes. Okay, we are ready to build the Chicago hot dog. So here we go. Okay, I am anxious to try this out. Now that's a Chicago style hot dog. If you never had a Chicago style hot dog, you're probably thinking, oh my gosh, that's just way too much stuff. Let me tell you, everything goes so well together. The sweet relish helps tone down that sport pepper, and the celery salt, to me, is the icing on the cake. And the Vienna Beef hot dog, oh my gosh, so good. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description to Vienna Beef's website if you want to check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Sure, there's going to be a few bloopers at the end if you want to stick around for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. So then I thought I'd just go ahead and substitute the ingredients. That was too late. So then I thought I'd just go ahead and substitute the ingredients. So then I thought I'd just go ahead and substitute Then I thought I'd just go ahead and substitute the ingredients. Then I thought I'd just go ahead and substitute the ingredients. Dang it. Then I thought I would just go ahead and substitute the ingredients. Now wait a minute.
That was good, except you didn't say, let me explain.
Let me explain.